Hello, in this video we are going to learn the concept of page header. Currently, if you see employee directory, it is only on page 1 and it is not repeated on any other page. Let's close this. This band is inside report title. Report title, if you see on the right side, there is no option whatsoever, even if you search, to repeat, right? There is no way to repeat it. It is only going to be at the beginning of the report, generally page 1. To get this on all pages, we need to introduce a page header. Okay, now page header by its own name is going to be repeated on all. So let's take page header and we drag this below. Okay, we can safely now delete report title, save it, and now if we preview it, employee directory is reported is on all pages. There is perfect alignment between all of our reports as well. Hope this was helpful to you.